Well, hello and welcome. My name is Caritha and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today we're going to have some fun with some liquid chrome polish by L.A Girls. So right now I'm just wiping my nails with acetone and then applying my base coat. So like I mentioned, we're going to be using L.A Girl Liquid Chrome Nail Polish. It's a purple nail polish with like a metal effect. And the color of this, the name of this polish is Lacquered Lavender. I'm applying 2 coats of that, and then I'm going to apply my favorite top coat, which is Seche Vite. I didn't mention that my base coat is actually my favorite too, and that's Orly Bonder. Next, I'm going in with some clear tape around my ring finger and my thumb. I'm using one piece to wrap around the sides of my nail and then a second piece to wrap on the underside, under my cuticle. If you don't know this technique, the very best way to apply glitter is to apply it onto a sponge and then apply the glitter to your nail. The sponge soaks up the polished base, leaving only the glitter on top, and that makes it very easy to pretty much just stamp the glitter on top of your nail. And the polish that I'm using is LA Colors in the name Fancy Pants. It's a clear base and it's got blue and purple hexagon shaped glitters in here. It's got some green rectangle glitter and a very little bit, every now and then you'll get like a silver flaky every now and then. And it reminds me of a mermaid too. It reminds me of a mermaid and the rainbow fish book that I used to read when I was a little kid. I wonder if that book's still in schools now, but yeah. Yeah, this is a very nice polish for like a mermaid fish beach themed manicure throughout the summer. Very nice polish for the summer. If you notice the sponge is not soaking up the polish anymore, it's just because you've pretty much maxed out how much the sponge can hold. So all you have to do is just cut off that top layer of sponge and keep working. Very simple, beautiful design. So now for my next video, I'm thinking about doing a video on how to remove glitter polishes, because I know glitter can be very stubborn to get off. So please comment down below, let me know if you're interested in that, if you want to see a video on how to remove stubborn glitter. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.